ஹலோ நண்பா, நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் லாஸ்ட் வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க. 7th November, which state government has recently launched two new schemes? Karnataka government, who has become the Director General of FICCI, Arun Chawla. Which Indian state is set to commence the census for Indus River dolphins? Punjab, who is the author of the book John Lang Wanderer of Hindustan? Amit Ranjan. Strive is the World Bank funded project being implemented by which ministry? Ministry of Skill Development. Extra question from sports. Which country has came first in Deaf Judo Championship? India. 8th November. Which country is going to provide India Green Guarantee to World Bank Finance Green Project? United Kingdom. Which country launches Earth Science satellite named Gyongyu? China. Where PM Modi unveils Sri Adi Shankaracharya Samadhi and statue? Kedarnath. Where has 29 museum been inaugurated to protect culture of the tribes? Manipur. Covaxin is the vaccine of which country that has recently approved by World Health Organization? India. Extra question from GK. Expand HDI Human Development Index. 9th November. Which country successfully launches 3 new remote sensing satellites? China. India to host Delhi Regional Security Dialogue on Afghanistan on 10th of November. Which state approves 1,544 crores under State ECRP 2021-2022? It's Delhi. Which country has hosted the One Global Vietnam Summit? France. Who has released the revised PCA frameworks for banks? Reserve Bank of India. Extra question from sports. Which medal has Akash Kumar won in the World Championship? Bronze. 10th November. Which country has test fired the inflatable missile direction system on a large scale? Israel. The Chief Minister of which state has released the book Modern India? Haryana Chief Minister. With which country has India signed an agreement in the field of health and medicine? Senegal. Who has topped the global leader approval rating? Narendra Modi. Which airport has been declared as the major airport by central government? Srinagar Airport. Extra question from economy. FCNR, foreign currency non-resident. 11th November. Which states Chamba Chapla has received the GI tag? Himachal Pradesh. Which bank has recently launched Video Life Certificate for prisoners? State Bank of India. Who has launched the token solution Safeguard? PhonePe. Where has Novak Djokovic won 37th master title? At France. Who has recently introduced his new book named The Cinema of Satyajit Ray? Bhaskar Chattopadhyay. Extra question from sports. Which state has developed country's first bamboo-made cricket bat and stumps? Tripura. 12th November. Which state government has recently started Shramik Mitra scheme? Delhi government. Recently in which state 18,000 women self-help group members will be trained? Karnataka. Where has India's first open-air rooftop drive-in movie theatre is inaugurated? At Mumbai. Recently which state has celebrated its foundation day on 9th November? Uttarakhand. Which country's army chief has on a visit to India of 4 days? Nepal. Extra question from GK. Who has become the 72nd Grandmaster of India? Mitrabai Guha. 13th November. The Chief Minister of which state has started distribution of Smart Health Card? Odisha government. Chief Minister. Recently, India and which country has signed an agreement on innovative and dual-use technology? India and Israel. Who has been re-elected as a president of FIG? Morinari Watanabe. Where has new biotechnology for Northeast tribals been inaugurated? At Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the first Indian state to approve tissue culture based seed potato regulations? Punjab state. Extra question from GK. Where has the Ganga contact exhibition been inaugurated? At Glasgow. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ அவ்வளோதான் நண்பா. நீங்கள் நம்ம சேனலுக்கு புதுசாக மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.